Hello, good day, Earth. I am Tahinio of the Yahyel. We would like to share some information with you now, this day of your time, on the idea of technologies, advanced technologies that we and other civilizations may bring to your civilization on the occurrence of what you may call open contact, first contact, the idea where your governments openly accept us, acknowledge us, and introduce us to your reality. So, the idea is, we have been here for some time, we have been interacting with your reality for some time. The majority of the governments in your world know this. They have been withholding this for a variety of reasons we shall not go into at present. But the idea is that as we move forward into open contact, as this critical event horizon approaches where we shall be able to openly interact with your reality, your citizens, your governments, your organizations, your technological industries, to introduce new technologies to your reality. There are a variety of technologies we shall begin to share information upon. So the idea is that first will not be free energy. There are still some issues around this. There are still some hesitancies of us to introduce this to your society ahead of your own discovering it, due to the idea that beings, entities in your world are still oriented towards the idea of war, of conflict, of domination of others, and these devices could be used for such purposes. So we are tending to be hesitant, we are tending to stand off, observe your own advances in this realm, of which there have been many. There haven't really been any stable devices that could serve your entire population. There have been isolated incidences of over-unity devices developed in your reality, but they tend to be location specific. They tend to be tapping into the energetic frequencies and the collective belief systems of the reality. The idea that some of these over-unity devices that have been developed within your secret projects, your black programs as you term them in your reality, have been somewhat created in a bubble environment where all the people working on them believe they are possible to create, and therefore this collective belief system in this isolated location has caused some very positive results. But the idea is that when they are introduced to greater beings in your reality, the belief systems that they are not possible are affecting their ability to exist, their ability to create positive and stable results that would assist your population moving in this way. So a big part of our introduction, of our introducing you to new realities, to new technologies, is introducing you to the beliefs that they can possibly exist, the beliefs that they do exist in other dimensions of reality, in certain isolated pockets in your world. And so the idea is that as your collective system, as your collective conscious of Gaia, of Earth, all those subconscious beliefs that create your collective unconscious, conscious in your reality, come to understand that these technologies are possible, technologies such as anti-gravity, technologies such as teleportation, technologies that are directly interfacing with your consciousness, and technologies such as over-unity energy devices are possible, they will begin to manifest in your reality. So a big part of our interfacing with your reality in this form at this time is to introduce your civilization to the idea of new concepts, to introduce the idea of new potentials, and to introduce the idea of infinity and infinite possibility. And so as your civilization comes to believe that they are true, comes to believe that they are real, it will enable us to begin to interface with your reality, to introduce new technologies. One of the technologies we would like to introduce initially is the idea of pollution clearing technologies. We have many technologies that they could assist with the removing of the plastic pollution in your seas, the chemical pollution in your seas, in your air, in your society. And so as moving forward through the next 10 or so years in your reality and longer moving forward, we shall begin to give hints as to how you can begin to experiment with certain technologies, certain ideas, certain concepts, certain physics, so that you can begin to wrap your head around the idea that these potential devices exist, and then they will begin to manifest in your reality, either through introduction from our civilization, through the civilizations connected to our extraterrestrial alliance, or through breakthroughs in your own reality. Peace, love, light, Shiva, and good day, Earth humans. We shall see you in another now. Good day. I hope you enjoyed that channeling, guys. So if you want to book a channeling session, a private channeling session, you can book a channeling session through my website. I'll drop the link below. I also have coaching programs and a Learn to Channel course starting in August. So I'll drop all the links in the box below, guys, and you can check them out on my website. Peace. Shibai.